the coast. I'm Rocky, and I'd sure like to meet you. Henry Howells.
Oh. Just call me Hank, folks.
Our Southern Belle, Henrietta Hatfield.
Why, it surely is lovely to see y'all. What?
Antonio Berticelli.
Buongiorno, spaghetti, fettuccine, Y'all have to excuse Tony, folks. The truth is, he was born in Nebraska. It's in the blood, in the mind, in the heart.
But when he sings, he sounds just plain American.
What can I say?
Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Ramblers.
And that's the day.
And here comes Mockingbird Hill.
When the sun in the morning looks over the hill and and my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the trees outside. It gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Lullaby, tree, is peace and goodwill.
There's a tumble down shack and a rusty old mill. But it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety, this peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Don't even sound like Italian birds.
Hey, when you finish riding all these great rides here, come on back to see us.